Presenting Iqoo Z6 in the color Raven Black. It is also available in Mystic Night, Stellar Green and Lumina Blue colors. Z6 is equipped with a Full HD Plus AMOLED display to give a truly immersive display experience with true color contrast. The display provides a 180Hz touch sampling rate in the gaming sessions for an enhanced touch response. Now let us look at its 50-megapixel AI rear camera. Comes with a variety of smart AI camera features and effects to capture wonderful moments with ease. Snapdragon 680 comes with octa-core architecture design that adopts the new 6nm process. Charge your phone quickly with 44-watt flash charge. The box includes the phone, charger, Type-C USB cable, warranty card, quick start guide, SIM eject tool and phone protective case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.